When was the last time you were asked out on a date? Well, if you're married, I'm not talking about that kind of date. I'm talking about a date that's gonna get you so many tips and so many little nuggets that you're gonna make more money. Well, my name is Javier Olmedo and I am the team leader of the Miami Doral Market Center, and I also represent the Miami Portfolio Collection and Miami Premier Properties. And on September 20th from 1 to 4 p.m., you have a date with me, FES, and The Shift. That's right, the book. We're gonna talk about seller pricing strategies, which is shift tactic number 7. And I promise you this, if you listen in and you attend and you participate, you're gonna leave after those 3 hours with a bunch of tips on how to sell your properties faster and net your seller the most money. We're gonna talk about different strategies that you can use to price the home appropriately for the market that we have currently. So September 20th, 1 to 4 p.m., date with me, FES, and shift pricing strategies tactic number 7. I'll see you there. 3 hours of your time, an investment, and you're gonna get more listings and you're gonna sell them faster. See you then.